can highly recommend this microphone. I mean, I'm coming from an RE20. This thing is a beast. It'll last you forever. It is so expensive. And I'm sitting here going, man, this sounds great. Sometimes I think about jumping on this when I'm gaming so that like my friends can hear me better and I don't sound like I'm the radio podcast guy. You know what I mean? Like it's a little bit more like true to what I sound like versus like this that's like I'm on the radio and we're going to be talking and blah, blah, blah. So I'll give you like a short little example of this versus that. But like, I mean, come on, they're not even in the same class. RE20, and here's an excerpt from the poop book. Sticks and stones. They may break your bones, but they'll also be used to clean butts. Native Americans used twigs, dry grass, small stones, and even oyster or clam shells. Reminds me of the 3 seashells from Demolition Man. Anybody remember that? What do you think? Is the FIFINE Tank3 punching above its level? This is an RE20, $500. What are my conclusions? I'd say that I could recommend this as a buy. I already am using it in every single keyboard review I have.